Heart of a Tree by Henry Seiler Berner. The Heart of a Tree by Berner focuses our attention on the value of planting a tree. We know that falling of trees has led to environmental disaster in our times. Divided into 3 stanzas, the poem tells us of the various benefits of planting a tree. Each stanza opens with the same question: what does he who plants a tree? The answer is provided by the poet himself. He also plants a tree in his life, and the person who plants a tree plants many things: the gentle sunlight, free breezes, beauty, music, and harmony. He ensures cool shade and tender rain. He leaves a rich legacy for the coming generation. He who plants a tree is conscious of the growth and development of his country. In other words, trees are best example to save the environment. For the betterment of the environment, the trees should be grown. They are the symbol of so many things. The summary of the poem is the utility of a tree. The poem, The Heart of the Tree, deals with the utilities and values of the tree. It comments on the relevance and importance of trees in the modern time. The poem opens with a question which is repeated thrice: what does he who plants a tree? The poet himself provides the answer in metaphor. As a tree is a friend of sun and sky, in other words, it ensures healthy environment. It ensures cool, free breezes. The place where it stands is like a heaven. As it shelters birds, one can hear their sweet songs in twilight. So, one who plants a tree creates a congenial atmosphere all around, in which there is peace, comfort, beauty, music, and harmony. The poet goes on commenting on the importance of the tree and its benefits. A tree ensures cool shade to us in summer. It causes tender rain. It gives seeds and buds to bloom into the flower. A tree is a symbol of forest heritage. It can save us at the time when the pollution is going on our planet. It is like a legacy for the next generation. It is the symbol of joy for our stillborn children. Thus, a tree lines our present and future. Then the poet says that he who plants a tree does a civic good. All his neighbors feel blessed and benefited. It is he who ensures the growth of his country. In other words, a country's growth and progress depend on the wealth of the tree. He who plants a tree earns for the welfare of his country. In fact, by planting a tree, he plants a nation. Now, let us see the first stanza of the poem. The poem underlines the value of planting a tree. When a man plants a tree, he plants many things. A tree is a friend of congenial atmosphere. It reduces air temperature and even purifies air by trapping dust, pollens, and smoke. It ensures free, gentle breezes. Thus, it is aptly described as a friend of sun and sky. It turns a place into a heaven. The place where there are green trees is nothing short of heaven. He who plants a tree also ensures shelter for the birds whose sweet crooning in silence and happy twilight delights us. By planting a tree, he ensures peace, harmony, and comfort for himself and others. The poet once again repeats the same question in stanza 2. The poet once again says that what does he who plants a tree? The answer provided is simple. By planting a tree, we ensure cool shade for us in summer and tender rain in all season, which are essential for our very existence. A tree gives us seed which sprout and birds which bloom in time to come. The poet describes a tree as forest heritage and the harvest of the coming ages. It can serve us as a living legacy for the next generation. It provides many benefits in the time to come. It is in fact a link between us and our children.